Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of dealing with clutter and disorganization in your home, today's video is just what you need. We've all been there struggling to find space, trying to keep everything tidy, and feeling overwhelmed by all the mess. Well, don't worry. In today's video, I'm sharing some incredible home organization products that will help transform your space into a neat, functional, and stylish haven. And be sure to check out the links in the description for more details on everything featured today. Let's dive in. Stay organized and efficient with the Storex Cabinet Caddy, designed to keep your essentials within easy reach. This versatile caddy features a compact, stackable design that's perfect for organizing everything from prescriptions and vitamins to office supplies and cleaning products. With its multiple compartments, you can neatly separate items and avoid clutter, making it a great addition to any kitchen, bathroom, or workspace. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, this caddy is both lightweight and sturdy, making it easy to carry and store in cabinets or drawers. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, so you can quickly grab what you need without the hassle. Whether you're looking to organize your medicine cabinet or streamline your home office, the Storex Cabinet Caddy is the perfect solution for keeping your space tidy and your items easily accessible. Simplify your life with this practical, easy-to-use organizer. The Nicetree jewelry cabinet is more than a mirror. It's your all-in-one style station. With a 360-degree rotating HD mirror, touchscreen lighting, and spacious jewelry storage, it's both practical and elegant. It features a foldable acrylic shelf for cosmetics, magnetic earring holders for easy access, and a velvet necklace pocket to protect your pieces. The gentle laser-plated light ensures comfort during makeup or skincare routines. Complete with hooks for keys or belts and a storage drawer, this stylish organizer saves space and adds flair to any room. It's also the perfect gift for someone special or for yourself. Say goodbye to fridge chaos with the Vtopmart Fridge Organizer Set. These 8 BPA-free bins are clear, durable, and come with built-in handles for easy access. Perfect for storing fruits, veggies, snacks, or pantry staples, their transparent design lets you quickly find what you need. Use them in the fridge, freezer, or kitchen cabinets to maximize storage and minimize waste. These bins are the ultimate solution for a neat, organized kitchen. Upgrade your drawer organization with the Vtopmart Clear Drawer Organizers. Perfect for everything from office supplies to jewelry, these BPA-free bins are versatile and durable. Their stackable design and multiple sizes let you create the perfect layout for your needs. Transparent, sturdy, and easy to clean, these bins bring order to your drawers and countertops effortlessly. Make laundry day a breeze with the Goodpick laundry basket with wheels. This 75-liter collapsible laundry hamper is the ultimate solution for anyone looking to simplify their laundry routine. Crafted from high-quality fabric, it's both durable and breathable, keeping your clothes fresh and odor-free. With its convenient wheels and sturdy handles, you can easily roll or carry it from room to room without any hassle. The basket is spacious enough to hold a full load of laundry, yet collapsible, allowing you to save space when it's not in use. Plus, the removable wash bag inside ensures you can easily transport your laundry to the washing machine without worrying about spills. Whether you're sorting clothes in the laundry room or tidying up your bedroom, the Goodpick laundry basket with wheels makes organizing and transporting your laundry effortless and efficient. It's the perfect combination of practicality and convenience for any home. Tired of clutter in your shower? The Veken Adhesive Shower Organizer is here to save the day. Made from rust-proof stainless steel, this durable organizer is designed to handle humid environments while keeping your toiletries neat and accessible. Its spacious design offers plenty of room for shampoo, soap, and more, making your shower routine effortless. Forget the hassle of drilling. This organizer uses strong adhesive, providing a secure hold that's easy to install. Perfect for bathrooms of all sizes, it's a sleek and practical addition to any modern home. Declutter your space and elevate your shower experience with the Veken Adhesive Shower Organizer. Shoe lovers, this one's for you. The Thicken and sturdy shoe organizer is built to last with durable plastic construction and a sleek, stackable design. Each box features a magnetic front door, making it easy to access your shoes while keeping them neatly stored. With a clear exterior, you can spot your favorite pair at a glance. No more rummaging through boxes. This isn't just for shoes use, it's to organize hats, clothes, toys, or other items. Each pack includes 6 boxes, perfect for everything from sneakers to heels. Assembly is a breeze, and its thoughtful design makes it a great gift for anyone looking to declutter their space stylishly. Say hello to clutter-free countertops with the Qtip stackable vegetable and fruit organizer. This versatile organizer features a breathable mesh design that keeps your fruits and veggies fresh while providing excellent ventilation. The stackable structure lets you maximize vertical space, making it perfect for kitchens, pantries, or even bathrooms. Its durable metal construction ensures stability, and the pull-out baskets make accessing your items quick and easy. Whether you're organizing produce, snacks, or household essentials, this multi-purpose storage solution fits seamlessly into any space. Simplify your storage with the Qtip stackable organizer where function meets style. Make the most of your underbed space with these rolling storage containers. Perfect for storing blankets, clothes, toys, or shoes. These containers offer a generous capacity while keeping your items neatly tucked away. Equipped with durable wheels, they glide effortlessly in and out, making accessing your belongings a breeze. The sturdy fabric construction and reinforced handles ensure long-lasting use, while the clear top lets you see what's inside at a glance. Designed for space-saving organization, they're ideal for small apartments, dorm rooms, or anyone looking to declutter their home. Transform your entryway with the Maupvit entryway shoe cabinet. Featuring 2 flip doors and a sleek beige finish, this space-saving cabinet fits perfectly in narrow spaces like hallways and porches. With room for 24 to 32 pairs of shoes, its adjustable panels accommodate everything from flats to boots. The bottom space is ideal for slippers or a sweeping robot, while the fence top is perfect for keys or decor. Built with durable MDF wood, sturdy metal legs, and an anti-tipping device, it's designed for safety and style. At just 9.35 inches deep, this slim cabinet is the ultimate blend of functionality and elegance. This slim shoe cabinet saves space without compromising storage. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to functionality with the Maupvit entryway shoe cabinet. Keep your bathroom essentials stylishly organized with the Adhesive cotton swab holder and dispenser. This sleek and compact set includes clear acrylic containers, perfect for storing cotton swabs, rounds, or other small bathroom items. The transparent design not only makes it easy to see when it's time to refill, but also adds a modern touch to your countertop. Each container features a convenient lid to keep your items dust-free and hygienic, making it both practical and elegant. Whether for daily use or guest bathrooms, this organizer helps maintain a tidy and polished look. Upgrade your bathroom storage with the Adhesive cotton swab holder, functional, minimalist, and oh so chic. Revolutionize your closet with these space-saving organizer hangers. Designed to maximize storage, these durable hangers feature a cascading design that lets you hang up to 6 garments vertically or horizontally. Perfect for small closets, dorm rooms, or anyone looking to declutter, they keep your clothes neatly arranged and easy to access. Crafted from sturdy, high-quality materials, these hangers can hold even your heaviest coats or jackets. Plus, their smooth edges ensure no snags or damage to your clothing. Transform your wardrobe and make every inch of your closet count with these space-saving organizer hangers. Practical, efficient, and a total game changer. Say goodbye to clutter with the Budding Joy large storage bags. These spacious, heavy-duty bags are perfect for organizing everything from blankets and clothes to seasonal items and toys. Made from durable, tear-resistant fabric, they're built to last, offering a reliable storage solution for your home. With a large 90L capacity, these bags provide plenty of room to store your belongings, while the transparent top lets you easily view the contents without opening them. The reinforced handles and zipper ensure your items stay secure and protected. Maximize your storage space and keep your home organized with the Budding Joy large storage bags, a simple, practical, and long-lasting solution for all your storage needs. Organize your workspace effortlessly with the Iris USA Hardware and Craft Storage Cabinet. This compact yet spacious storage solution features 24 clear drawers, perfect for keeping small tools, craft supplies, screws, or jewelry neatly sorted. The transparent drawers make it easy to identify items at a glance, while the sturdy, stackable design saves space in your garage, office, or craft room. Whether mounted on a wall or placed on a tabletop, its durable plastic construction ensures long-lasting use. Simplify your projects and keep everything within reach with this versatile organizer. Add style and function to your home with the Tribesigns industrial console table with shelves. This sleek, modern design combines rustic charm with industrial appeal, featuring a sturdy metal frame and spacious wooden shelves. It's perfect for your entryway, living room, or hallway, offering a place to store keys, decor, or even your favorite books. The two open shelves provide ample storage space for a variety of items, while the top surface is ideal for displaying photos, plants, or other decorative pieces. Durable and easy to assemble, this console table adds both elegance and practicality to any room. Transform your space with the Tribesigns industrial console table, where style meets functionality in the perfect combination. Thank you for joining us on this journey through incredible home organization solutions. We hope these ideas inspire you to transform your living spaces. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us continue bringing you the best finds for your home. Let us know in the comments which product caught your eye, and stay tuned for more amazing discoveries. See you in the next video.